Watch me do facial waxing using the Raspberry Tickled Pink wax by Sexy Smooth. As you can see, the application is so smooth and goes on so beautifully. You can see the gorgeous shimmers in the wax as I apply it above her brow here. It dries incredibly fast, so you don't have to wait long to remove the wax. And you can't see in the video, but it picks up those fine hairs beautifully. A little goes a long way. As you can see, I have just a tiny little dab on my stick, and look how she spreads across her brow there. It also glides effortlessly. I don't have to put a lot of pressure to apply the wax on. It just smoothly goes on. And it's incredibly gentle on the skin as well. You can tell that her skin isn't super irritated and red. It's really great about just picking up the hair and not grabbing onto the skin, which again is great when you're doing brows or any type of facial waxing. You want something that's extremely gentle, because that skin around the brows, especially the underbrow and honestly anywhere on your face, is very thin. So having a wax that I trust is incredibly important to me. Client safety and comfort is my top priority, so that is why I absolutely love this wax. And of course, she's gorgeous too. And if you've ever had a lip wax, you know how incredibly painful that can be. But the reason I stand by this brand is because I truly believe it helps soften the blow of the pain from a lip wax. This wax truly just grabs the hair. It does not cling to the skin and cause unnecessary trauma or damage, which again is why I love it so much. I literally use this wax from head to toe, and no matter the texture or coarseness of the hair, it always seems to grab and pick up those hairs beautifully. Another reason I absolutely love this wax brand is it dries so quickly. You really don't have to wait long for it to be ready to remove. And if you're a waxer like me, time is important. So having a wax that I can trust to move quickly is so incredibly important. If you haven't guessed already, I absolutely love and recommend this brand. If you're an esthetician like me and would love to purchase this wax, you can find their links in their bio. I will tag them under my video here, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Finding their link. They have multiple colors, so if pink isn't your thing, don't worry. They have other gorgeous color options as well.